Hey guys, welcome to PrimeTech Automotive YouTube channel. I was thinking, I just thought to make a quick video because I've seen a lot of people have concern about their Jeep Cherokees has this issue. The interior light doesn't turn off. So I would say it's not a fault. It's something the settings that you need to change on the system. So do not replace any door switches or anything. You need to adjust these settings on your cluster or the switch is sometime here near the dashboard. But on this Cherokee, the switch is here. So the illumination switch you need to adjust to the low positions. So if it is in the highest position, the interior light stays on for long. So if you can see, when I turn this down, you'll see the interior light goes off. All right, thanks for watching guys. If you find this video helps, please subscribe to my channel, like and share my videos, comment if you have any ideas. Thanks guys.